In this video, I'll show you how to enable HDMI CEC on LG TV. Step 1. Open Settings. Press the Settings button on the remote. Scroll down and select All Settings. Step 2. Enable HDMI CEC. In All Settings, scroll to General and select it. Find HDMI CEC and toggle the switch to On. Step 3. Test HDMI CEC functionality. After enabling HDMI CEC, connect an HDMI device, for example your soundbar or console. Check if the device can be controlled via the LG TV remote. And that's how you connect an HDMI CEC to your LG TV. If it was helpful this video, please subscribe, and if you have any questions you can leave them in the comments down below.